Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Pink Boy time. Like always, XRP Day. Enjoy with us the global future.
Welcome back to another crypto day, or should I say welcome back to a slow crypto day today on our Monday, first day in a week, because Bitcoin already lost its $8,674 from above 9,500. Okay, this over $1,000 in lost. Ethereum being before in the last week by $270, right now by $200. XRP, how everybody knows and everybody for sure spent attention, was by almost 24 cents, has also pulled back to 21 cents, and Litecoin also back from 51 to 46. So all the coins, they have their pullback, and the entire coin market cap, by the way, lost over 9 billion from above 250 billion to 241 billion. Looks like that everything really had a great momentum. I think this is pretty normal because we had a good gain in the last week, and this week we have to pay the bills. But anyway, this is how it is in the crypto market. The entire market is just very unpredictable, but I still have some nice prediction, and I find this in Twitter posted by Crypto Bull, and I find this so interesting that I really decide to share this with you. New XRP bull cycle has begun, fractal pointing at $300, and let's go through this article I really like. I don't really know who wrote this article, but it's very interesting and was very nice presented. I think it's Luca Modena. New XRP bull cycle has begun, fractal pointing at $300 lock scale. This was the headline what gets my attention, and this is how it starts. In the scenario, Ripple is definitely going to rule all international transactions worldwide. Pretty ambitious, but in the crypto space, impossible is nothing. In the previous XRP price explosion, February 17 to January 18, we went from a validation of 0.004 cents dollar up to $3.53, a strategic increase of 78,000% in less than 11 months. If we got a little bit far back in time, we would see in September 14 the price of XRP touched our mega trend line, dotted green line, at 0.005 US dollar cents, and with him in the next 3 months it exploded to 0.03 cents, an enormous 5,500% increase. Obviously at this stage the crypto world was pretty much unknown by the wide audience, and social blockchain awareness and adoption were none. This time it will be totally different. From the technical perspective, on logarithmic scale we can see a beautiful fraction repeating from the height in December 14 until to begin of the next bull pump that start in February 17. We had around 800 days of laborious consolidation. Now the pattern seems to repeat itself. After around 800 days we touched the dotted mega trend line, and now we are dynamically bouncing off it. This marks the begin of a new bull market. The move is supported by the RSI and stochastic reversal. What is more, just after the bounce we had are not perfect, but still 3 white shoulders candlesticks pattern, which is consolidated as one of the most potential bull signals, especially when it occurs after extended downtrend. So why $300? First of all, we have zoomed into the last 2 bull cycle and noticed that both cases the bullish impulse was formed by a 5-wave Elliott pattern. The peak of each bullish wave during the 2017 bull pump landed almost exactly at the Fibonacci extension level 213.89 established by previous bullish pump. What is more, those extensions are even more meaningful in my humble opinion, cause the reflection of the original Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci number 0, 11, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. This to me is a perfect synchronized, a perfect fractal. This extension lands of every fourth Fibonacci number. Obviously, this may be just a coincidence. Anyway, I like my odds. How I said on the beginning, the author of this article is Luca Modena, and he mentioned his entrance level is by 0.20 US dollar cents. His takeout profit will will be around the 5th wave or the upcoming bull market whenever it will be. He also mentioned the fundamentals and he also explained XRP, the use case of XRP, but for the most of you is this already clear, but I still want to include in my video his opinion about the market cap. Yeah, I already hear all the limitation regarding such a price level that will cause Ripple's market cap to reach 13 trillion US dollar. Well, in the world of infinity money printing, this number is not that abstract. Global central banks doing the recent week printing 3 till 4 trillion US dollar. They are not going to stop. The modern financial system is unsustainable. It's incapable for creating wealth without floating the market with an even higher factor of debit. This system is falling apart in front of our eyes. It will be a fall on the ruin of which new monetary order will evolve. And here a quick imagination about the global stock market value 100 trillion, global bond market value 250 trillion, notable amount of UTC 600 trillion, 15 trillion in gross terms, Investible commercial real estate 100 trillion, amount of cash deposit question mark. This is to illustrate that we have already enough currency out there that can be parked into the crypto market and central banks are printing, press keeps printing. So yes, I think 300 US dollar per XRP can be reached. Guys, this was prediction from Luca Modena, and if you shared and if you like it, please write your comments in the comment section. I'm done for today, guys. I hope you had fun. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.